Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful stepped fascinator, ring fascinator, and we'll also be learning how to use our own net to make embellishment. Let's get started. Here are things we're going to be needing for these projects. I have this bony here. This bony, I already wrapped it. I went a step ahead to use this my bias to wrap it so that the video will not be too long. If you don't know how to wrap it, I made a similar video in the past on my YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link in the description box so that you could check it out to see how I wrapped it. So this one is going to be a little bit different from that one, but almost similar pattern. Then I'm not going to be using feather for this. I'm going to be using this to embellish it. This is my net. You all know this veil net. Then I have this wire as well. This how will I call this normal wire. They use it for bead making. Okay, copper wire. This is 0.8 mm, and my UHU, my needle and thread, and scissors, of course. So what we're going to be doing since I already wrapped it, is going to make our work very fast. So all I need to do now is to start rolling it or forming the circle, because it's a ring fascinator. I'm going to reduce it and hold it like this as little as possible, okay, as small as possible. Let me put it that way. So this is the smallest, though you can still go further than that. Like if you want it very small, it's a matter of choice. Okay, so I think this is okay. So all I need to do is to add some of my glue at this very point on one side, then glue it right here like this. So I'm going to be tying it. I don't want to hold everything together before tying, because I don't want it to shift at all. There's a pattern I want it to follow, so I'm going to be tying it. As I fold each one, I'll tie. Okay, so I'll tie it right here. You tie it, make sure it's firm. And make sure you use a matching thread as well. So after tying, I'll secure it right here. You can see your hands are free now. It will no longer move, okay? So after this, I will just go ahead and fold the next one. Make sure you fold before adding your glue to it. Once you get the shape you want or the spacing you want before you add your glue. So make sure that the spaces are even, that it shouldn't be too obvious. Okay, this is it. Just tie it to an extent. Once you know it's firm, you proceed to the next step. Secure it right here. Then I'll proceed to the next one. I'm just going to continue doing it like that, but this time around I'll start pushing it down. Okay, you can see the spacing, they are equal. So now, instead of placing it at the same point, I will first add my glue. Then I'll place it like this, a little bit down, okay? Slightly down. I want it to be like a kind of step like this. Instead of placing it directly like on the same line. I want it to be a little bit down, so I push it down like this. Okay, then I'll tie. To make your work very easy, it's better or advisable you use candle glue with the machine. It's once you apply that candle glue, you hold it right there, it sticks, then it will be very easy for you. That's what I use. See the step I was talking about, right? Yes, I want it. So in order to have this kind of step, it means you will bring this side down, be line it at the edge of it. So I'll just go ahead and do the last one now. Here's what we have. Can you see the steps? Wow, it's nice. You can see the way it's arranging like this. It's not the normal flat one that you see. Because of the way I arrange here, that's why you see it's coming like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and start the embellishments. So after carefully spreading it, I doubled it into two, okay? Then I folded it I will just do it like this, so I can cut, so it can be straight when cutting it. So that's the essence of folding like this. So it's going to be double, and what I have here is about, let me reduce it to 2.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So now that I have it like this, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try out a design using this my wire. Okay, this is my wire. I'm going to take the same measurement of this. That's how the wire is going to be. So I'm going to cut it here. Just stretch it. Then what I'm going to do now is to add glue at this edge, okay, and stitch it to this wire. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add some glue. After adding my glue, I will use my wire to hold it. I can use the wire to pierce it so it can be it can be firm. Let me put it that way. So you can see I'm just wrapping that place I added glue, wrapping it around the edge of the wire, or wrapping the edge of that place around the wire. English. I've not tried this before, believe me, so I'm just, something just came, you know. Creativity is ability to just imagine things and put them to practice. So something just came. I was supposed to use feather for this particular project, but I didn't get feather of this color to buy. So, and I decided that okay, I cannot leave it like that, and my client wanted it like that, so I need to come up with something amazing. From the look of things, like I'm not going to sew it anymore. No need of sewing. I will just go ahead and use bias to close it up like this. Okay, I think that is better. I'm just covering that part up. You could use I don't advise you use Peter Shan, because for this part, if you use Peter Shan, it will be too wide. You know, bias is not as wide as Peter Shan, so it will not occupy much space. You can see I finished sealing it up, very neat. So what I'm going to do next is, you see it's curving already. What I'm going to do, just to start cutting it. Okay, I'll cut it, but not very deep. So, and make sure that the cuttings are even if not 100% equal, but at least it shouldn't, the distance shouldn't be too much. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. I think it's making sense. I want to welcome you all once more to this channel. To those who are just joining us, if today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Welcome to this great family. The first thing to do is just to click the subscribe button down below showing red. Okay, so you can be fully part of this family. And if you've been here, you've subscribed before, I say a big thank you to you. God bless you. Thank you, thank you. And please, if you like this video, give us thumbs up. You can see how lovely it's looking. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place it right here. It's going to be here. I'm going to stand like this. You see, I just pass it inside, then I form here to form a rose. Let this place stand like this. Okay, then I'm going to stitch it with this. I'll just pick the side of this bias, stitch it along this second part. I'll still fold it like this to form another bow. Bring it here, then stitch as well. So after making this one, after attaching it like this, I decided that I need to make another one, which was exactly the same procedure I used in making the first one. I made another one, just left the leftover. I just decided to twist it here. So what I'm going to do with this one now is this. I got my mobbing stick, so anything is possible, so you can use anything to make design. So after getting my mobbing stick, I will just roll it, round it like this, make sure it's firm. You know, it's wire, so anywhere you twist it to, it's gonna follow. So this is the end. Here's it. You can see it's even staying without me touching it. That's to show you the power of this wire. So thereafter, I will just lose it out like this. So I'll go ahead and also put it here. But I think it's rather too high. I may decide to fold it like this. Just drop here down, let here be like this. It's going to be like this. This other one will just flow along like this. Okay, or let me face this one here while this go to the back. It's okay like this. So I'll go ahead right now and stitch it right there. So here is what we have. So here's what we have. I'm going to go ahead now and add this my pin to this place. You can place it up. I'll position it on my hair and see the side it faces. Then just add some glue here and put it right here. Then I'll open it and still stitch it so that it will not fall off. I'll just stitch it. Here is it. I'm done with it. You can see how beautiful it's looking. See the pin I added. So I stitched it as well. So I placed this one so that the gum will not stick the pins together, so it will be easy to open. So now that it's dry, I can easily remove it like this. So let me put it on my hair now so you can see. How is it looking? Is this not beautiful? Wow, this is amazing. I like this step, the way the thing is just relaxed on my hair. You can see how nice it's looking. Wow, this is amazing. Now if you like this video, begin to give us thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. You can do it like this. You can also turn it the other way around like this. So you are very free to turn it wherever you want. Either you put this flower behind or in front, it's a matter of choice. It will still give you the same beauty. And you see the steps I was talking about. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Please give us thumbs up. If you are just joining us, or if today is your first time tuning in, you're welcome. I'm the pioneer of Ahviworld, and in this channel we do a lot of fascinators, we do some kitchen work at times, and a lot of other creative arts. So please stay tuned. And the first thing to do as a member of this family, if you must be a member, please hit the subscribe button just down below. It's showing red. If it's still showing red, it means you haven't subscribed yet. So the moment you click subscribe, it changes to black. And there is a bell icon in front of that subscribe button. Click on it as well. That will aid you so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.